in the International Convention of 1973, apartheid was defined as an international crime, and this is one variety of crime against humanity, and it doesn't depend on it resembling the form of racial domination that existed in South Africa. It is a crime that focuses on the domination of one race by another. It isn't just the Palestinians living under occupation that are victimized by apartheid. It is also the Palestinian refugees that have been living for generations in refugee camps in the neighboring countries, and it's the involuntary Palestinian exiles living in the Palestinian diaspora around the world, and it's also the Palestinian minority within Israel that is suffering from discrimination and exploitation. There is no other path to peace, a sustainable peace, for these two peoples except to end apartheid. And ending apartheid does mean ending the pretension that in the 21st century you can have a Jewish state as distinct from a state for all people living within its borders. No one thought it was possible to dismantle apartheid in South Africa until it happened. And it happened because of the pressure that was mobilized around the world in the anti-apartheid campaign